So if you buy this Wi-Fi card from Amazon, this is a card that uses the AX210 of the Intel, and so this is like a bulk sale to companies from Intel, and this has the Bluetooth 5.2 and the Wi-Fi 6E, which is really nice. My motherboard didn't have the drivers off the bat, so you need to install them. So essentially you'll go here to this website, I'll put a link, and you'll download the Bluetooth and you'll download the Wi-Fi, and then it should be good. So I'll go ahead and show you this on the desktop so that you can see. So I've gone ahead here. I'll install the Bluetooth first. I'm running Windows 10 Pro. And then you should, right over here, see this go away. So I'll just do a typical install. Also, if you look down here, I don't have the Bluetooth icon. So hopefully after we install this Bluetooth up here should, there you go. The Bluetooth is working. We got the Bluetooth down here. Now let's go ahead and run the Wi-Fi. And then for the Wi-Fi, we should see this network update after it installs. So as expected, we can see the Wi-Fi 6E AX210 now. It says that the driver has been installed, and I should be able to go down here, and as you can see, I have Wi-Fi. So hopefully this helps.